Hi, we are from the Holo Ocean Group. My name is Yuni, and today's discussion is about the proposal that our team has provided for Kotakode. So with the current improvement towards the digital technology, a lot has changed, especially in the work environment. So people now prefer working remotely instead of sticking with the normal 9 to 5 working time. So this method also known as a freelancing. However, the lack of awareness and focus on the growth of freelancing opportunities in Indonesia has caused a lot of skilled individuals unable to find a work within their preferred field. With the more opportunities given for the freelancing job, it actually could reduce the unemployment rates by the individual, especially for fresh graduates. This proposal is meant to enhance the current platform of Kotakode to be able to integrate with the current freelancing platform and provide a service that is capable to be used by the user from a different field. The targeted audience is the programmers and the recruiter. So for the proposed prototype, it will be explained by my team member.
Yeah, hello, my name is Ayu and now we will go through the proposed system prototype. So the jobs feature will be found under the product tab, and here the user is able to post a project or competition where they can fill up the detail and upload necessary documents. We also have a filter feature based on price range, ratings, and skills. Now if we open one project, the freelancer will be able to bid a price and duration to contribute on that project and give their proposal. Next, if we open the competition tab, the user can join and submit their work to participate on that competition. The last step in jobs feature is freelancer list, and if we open one profile, it contains the freelancer experience and expertise. Now my teammate Angeline will continue.
Okay. Hello, I'm Angeline. I'm going to explain about the dashboard page. So what we have added to the uh, Kotakode website design is post, project, competition, and wallet page. In the post project, you can see all the project or competition posted by the user. You can also see how many applicants have applied to the project. You can also add a task, and once the project is completed, you can rate and give review for the freelancer. In the project and competition page, it contains all the information regarding the project and competition that the users have participated on. So when the freelancer receive their payment, they can withdraw their money through the wallet features. In order to show that our design is mobile friendly, we have created a sample design on mobile devices. So this is all the designs for mobile device. So that's all from our group, Holo Ocean. Thank you very much.